Today what we're going to talk about is heated tubing. So with heated tubing, a lot of people ask me all the time, they're like, well, should I get heated tubing for my CPAP? Does it make sense to spend upwards of $60 to $100 for it? And my answer is always, it depends. If your house is either too dry, too wet, or too hot or too cold, it'll depend, and then standard tubing will have a higher propensity to have water come out of it. And then if that's occurring, then you're going to be wanting to move to something like heated tubing. Today what we're going to do is talk about heated tubing and those types of things, and then actually hook it up to a machine, and then we'll see what it does. So let's move on here to look at it in a machine here. So let's open this. So just opening it. So ResMed always super good for putting them in good packaging. Let's pop this here, just popping this piece off. A lot of people struggle with this. For this part of it, what you do is you attach it and twist. Then it's locked in. What you'll see on the machine is a whole new thing for setting. It's a raindrop with a thermometer. So you're no longer just setting some random number and then hoping it works. You're setting the temperature of the humidifier and the tube. So what will the temperature be at when it gets to you? So let's set that here. So here we have it at 25. Okay, 25 is the default. Let's see how low we can go. We can turn it off. What's the point of having heated tubing if it's off? There's no point, because the idea is then you're turning it into standard tubing. But let's increase it. 16 degrees Celsius. Apparently you can make it colder. So it probably just goes to room temperature at this point. But what you can do, as you want more humidity, you increase it. So it goes from 16 all the way up to 30. So it's completely up to you on what you want, but you have to be careful with it, because I have heard of people still having Rainout with this piece, but you can decrease it to 25, and 25 is usually the normal recommendation, but it's completely up to you depending on your house. And if you use it, it does allow a bit more maneuverability with settings, and it may be better for you for optimizing the humidity of your machine. Thanks. Have a great day.